Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will demonstrate how to program a LiftMaster Max remote control to a Logic 5 commercial door operator. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. Logic 5 operators allow you to add up to 90 remote control buttons. For example, you can program 90 single-button remote controls or 30 three-button remote controls. For this demonstration, we'll program remote control model number 893 Max. Your product may appear different. Programming remotes is performed with the operator powered on. You'll need access to the logic board of the operator. Please exercise caution when accessing the control box with the operator powered on. Locate the selector dial on the logic board. We've set the selector dial to B2 for this video. This is the most common setting for controlling the operator with a remote control. The B2 wiring type requires that monitored entrapment protection devices, such as a photo eye or edge, must be installed. This wiring type enables momentary pressure to open and close the door. First, let's program a new Max remote control that's never been used. Decide which button on the remote control you'd like to program. Locate the radio button on the logic board of the operator. Press and release the radio button. The radio LED will light solid. Press and hold the button you want to program on the remote control until the radio LED flashes 3 times. The operator will remain in programming mode with the radio LED on. This allows you to program additional remote controls. When all remotes have been programmed, press and release the radio button on the logic board to exit program mode. There is a delay of about 2 seconds from when the radio button is pressed to when the LED turns off. This is normal. The operator automatically exits programming mode after 30 seconds of inactivity. Test the remote. Press the button to open the door. While the door is still moving, press the button again. The door will stop. Press the button again to close the door. While the door is still closing, press the button again. The door will stop and reverse to the fully open position. Now we'll show you how to program a Max remote that has been previously programmed. Locate the Program button on the remote control. It's labeled Prog. You may need to remove the visor clip on the back of the remote to access the Program button. Press and hold the Program button until the red LED on the front of the remote control turns on. Choose which button you want to program and press and release it 1 time. To exit programming mode, press any remote control button other than the button that was just programmed. The LED on the remote will turn off. Now, repeat the steps for programming to the Logic 5 operator. Locate the radio button on the logic board of the operator. Press and release the radio button. The radio LED will light solid. Press and hold the button you want to program on the remote control until the radio LED flashes 3 times. We're not going to program another remote, so we'll press and release the radio button on the logic board to exit program mode. Again, there will be a 2-second delay before the radio LED turns off. Test the remote. The remote will open, close, and stop or stop and reverse the door, depending on the direction of travel. LiftMaster Max Series remote controls are compatible with all garage door openers, commercial door operators, and gate operators manufactured since 1993. Please see the 893 Max instruction manual for programming to other operators. For more information, visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.